This is a juniper tree growing in the grounds of Spiers near Beith in North Ayrshire. The juniper is one of only 3 native evergreen species in Scotland, the others being the yew and the Scots pine. Juniper is distinguished by the way that the needles are organised, normally in groups of 3. Juniper berries are well known for being used to make gin, and one of the other claims to fame is that juniper wood produces no smoke, so juniper was used for the stills to produce illicit whisky in the old days. You do find native woodlands composed of juniper. There's one on the road to Dumfries called Tinran wood, which from the distance looks as though it's a whole load of Lawson cypress growing. It is in fact one of the few native juniper woods.